Here I have the Be Quiet Light Loop all-in-one water cooler. And what I have here is the 360mm, and there's also the option to get the 240mm and in white or black. And we're gonna go ahead and turn this on shortly so you can kind of see the RGB on this. Looking at the radiator, it does have these nice lines here embedded, and the overall radiator just looks nice and clean, really nothing to it. Taking a look at the plate and pump here, it does come with a nice decent amount of space here, so it will definitely cover your CPU, and this will definitely work with your latest Intel or AMD. But here's a closer look at the specs. And then in this bag we do get all the brackets and also some paste as well. And this comes with the PWM hub as well, so you're able to go ahead and plug your fan and the RGB as well. So on this side and on the back here, and we have some more here. Included, we get the 320mm fans here, which are RGB, and these are the Lightwing LX. If you have a system with RGB lighting, this definitely fits right in. And here we also get some coolant as well that comes in the package, and you're able to go ahead and refill this. It already comes pre-filled right now. After a year or so, you can go ahead and refill this if needed. I'm gonna be doing another video where I will go ahead and show the performance of this water cooler here. But for now, just to kind of give you an idea what comes in the box and how the RGB kind of looks like here.